asterisk. An asterisk is a wildcard symbol. This is a wildcard symbol. It means all the elements at this level. Okay, look at the path expression here. Slash report slash book slash author slash asterisk. Okay, so what it will do, it will select all child of every author. Select all child of every author for every book in the report element. Every book in the report element. So it will give you the all child. Okay, sorry. Okay, it will give you the all child of every books in the report element. So it will give you the first name Mary and then last name Lee. Okay, go back to the examples. Child, remember child, every child. So here is only we have one child, that is under the Stephen, first name Mary and the last name is Lee. So it will give you the output Mary Lee. Okay, next path expression, slash slash book slash asterisk. It will retrieve all child of every book. Remember, all child of every book element. Every book element includes title and authors. Okay, look at here. All children of every book elements including title and author. So all, you see, title is title and author. Title, and this is the title and all authors. You see, Java book, all authors. And also this is the book database advanced, then all authors. And also the last one is the programming language. Okay, Jordan, all authors. Okay, database, all authors. Database advanced, all authors. Database basic, all authors. Okay, so look at the examples here. So here is, look at here, title, Java programming, all authors. Then advanced database advanced, all authors. And then database basics, all authors. David Tan and the Jordan all. Okay, hope you understand this example. Okay. Next, if you use the path expression like slash asterisk slash asterisk slash asterisk slash last name, so it will retrieve element of every last name. Remember, every last name that has exactly 3 ancestors. 3, 1, 2, 3. So we have only one here. Last name Lee. Last name Lee. If you go back to the example, the 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. Last name Lee. So it will show you last name Lee. Okay. So next expression, path expression, slash slash asterisk. So if you use this path expression, it will select every element in the entire document. What it will do? It will select every element in the entire document. So every element, that means it will show you the whole elements from starting to ending. Next, attributes. Okay, you can select attributes by themselves or elements that have certain attributes. Okay, look at here. An attributes consist of a name value pair. Remember, the attributes consist of a name value pair. Two things, name and value. Look at this example. Book price equal, within the double quotation, 656.70. So here the name is price and the attribute within the quotation is the 56.70. So name pair value. Okay, so if you want to choose the attribute, you have to use the alias sign and sign, the alias sign. Okay, so look at here example, look at this example, slash report slash book slash alias price. So it will choose attributes and name named price. So look at the result, price equal to 56.70 and price equal to 109.70. If you look at our example here, so you can look at the price. If you look at the price 56.50, and then the price attribute, you look at here 109.60. so these two will be extracted from here and display the output. Okay, it's clear? Okay, next. Okay, look at the path expression here. //book, then using within the bracket alias sign price. So what it will do, it will select every book element. Remember, it will select every book elements anywhere in the document that has an attribute named price. So it will find out the price attribute and display based on that what will be the output from every book elements. So look at here, if the attribute we call the price, then it will give you the details of these books, every elements. Next we have a book price also here 109.60. it will give you all the details. So if you look at the examples here, go back the examples, it will find out the attribute price. Look at here, name and the attribute value, then it will give you all the details. Next, the price is here 109.60. it will give you all the details of this note. Next, go back. Okay, if you use the path expression / alias then asterisk, so what it will do, it will choose every attribute. Remember, it will choose every attribute everywhere in the document, every attribute everywhere in the document. Look at the output here, price equal to 56.70, price equal to 109.60, ID equal to 234, and ID equal to 236. So if you look back to the example, so look at here, the price, then the attribute. Okay, so these two will be displayed, ID, price, then this is the price, and then the output ID is there. So one ID, two IDs, price 1, then price 2. Next, if you use the path expression / book within the bracket not, remember we use the not alias star. So what it will do, it will select every book element with no attributes, because we use the keyword not, then alias, no attribute. So select every book element with no attributes. So look at the output, book elements with no attributes. Okay, only ID is here, then details, there is no attribute. So ID and then the details. Okay, 236 ID, there is no attributes, and then this details. You look at here, only here, this is the details. Next, okay, if you use the path expression / title alias ID equal to 234, a specific ID number, what it will do, it will select every title elements with an attribute ID of value, attribute ID of value 234. So it will give you the output with the 234, title ID equal to 234, then database advanced, the title enter. Okay, so if you go to the example here, you look at here, we have this one ID 234. it will extract this information and display. Next, if you use the / title not alias ID, not select every title. What it will do, it will select every title elements that does not have ID attribute, because we use not, does not have ID attribute. So it will give you the output, you see, without attribute. Title Java programming, title C++ programming. So if you go back to the example here, without ID, you look at here So here without ID, here we have ID, it will not show you. Here without ID, you see it will show you these two, Java programming and C++ programming. Okay, next in the path expression, look at this path expression. We use / book within the bracket alias price greater than 100. That means we can put the condition here, greater than 100. What it will do, it will select every book element with attribute price more than 100. With the attribute price, remember, greater than 100. Greater than 100 means it will display the every book elements with attribute price more than 100. So it will give you the output like this: book price 109. This is greater than 100, and display the details. Okay, look at the examples here. Here this is the details it will give you. Okay, details. Back. Next, if you look at the path expression /report /book /title, and within the bracket alias ID less than 235, less than 235. Okay, what it will do, it will select every title element with attribute ID less than 235. So it will give you the output like this: 234. This is less than 235. Okay, if you okay. Next, text node. Okay, you can use the node function. If you use the node function, what it will do, it will matches any node like equal asterisk or at the rate of asterisk or text function. Okay, look at the text function, how we can use the text function. Look at the expression /report /book /author /text functions. So it will give you the text, only the text content of the elements, text content of the elements. Okay, if you look at here in example, only the text content of the elements. Okay, Stephen Cock, then the text content, all the text content it will give you, text content. Okay, text. Okay, you see text content, Stephen Cock, then all this is the text content. Okay, if you use the expression like /report /book /author and the node, so what it will give you, it will give the output like Stephen Cock. That means this is the Stephen Cock with the sub and all the author's name. You see, with the sub and all the author's name. So Stephen Cock, then the sub author name, then all the author's name, all the authors with